Really angry at first, but I mean, a lot of murder cases go unsolved for how many years, and it's just amazing to see that 2 weeks after his death, I'm very relieved and I'm happy.
Less than 2 weeks after police released this video of Abdi Karim's alleged shooters, an arrest has been made.
Good news.
Good news.
It's very important. As I say, thank you very much that I talked.
Thank you.
Thank a lot. God bless you.
One day after the teen was fatally shot, we came back to this area to speak with neighbors. One door we knocked on was this one. Sources tell City News police made an arrest here at this home, just steps away from the crime scene.
It sounded like an explosion. It was just boom. My heart was just racing.
Police apparently raided this Amaranth Court home around 5 this morning, startling neighbors. What did you hear this morning?
It's like a kind of fight. People crying.
25-year-old Wendell Damian Cuff is charged with 1 count of first-degree murder and 5 counts of attempted murder. Police are also looking for 25-year-old Owen Anthony Smith, wanted on the same charges.
I urge and ask the public to please come forward and help the police and bring this guy to where he belongs.
Every time we drive by, we always remember and we think about the fact that, you know, his life ended right there, so close to home.